Have you ever wondered how massive mining operations stay efficient and safe every single day? Let's take a closer look at the Komatsu D85E Bulldozer, one of the key machines working behind the scenes in mining areas. In this first scene, we see the D85E carefully leveling the road within the overburden disposal zone as the bulldozer reshapes the road and adjusts the maneuvering space for hauling trucks. It helps reduce tire wear, minimizes accident risk, and keeps transport flowing efficiently. In the second part of the video, we move to a clay disposal area. The D85E bulldozer skillfully pushes and levels the clay, ensuring the disposal site remains safe and functional. These tasks might look simple, but they play a critical role in mining logistics. Machines like the D85E help keep the mining world moving, one push at a time.